इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं एडीएमसी वाकएंड में। मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं एडीएमसी की आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की ट्रेनर मैम हीरा। अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
मैम सबसे पहले तो ये बताएं कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है क्या?
Okay, artificial intelligence is just like I will explain it with the help of a human intelligence. Do you people know what is human intelligence? It's just like हमारा दिमाग काम किस तरह से करता है. So in 1980s एक हमारे साइंटिस्ट थे, उन्होंने ये बात कही थी that machines will control humans. That machines will come that will have sentiments and emotions. Just like we humans have sentiments and emotions, we can make decisions. So now what is artificial intelligence? Coming to my own point, artificial intelligence is that we are making such machines that can generate emotions, that can deal with humans, just like you have seen robots, they are dealing with humans, they are dealing in marketing, they are as a great Google search engine CEO is nowadays a robot sitting there, not a human making decisions of whole Google search industry. Okay, that's a big deal. But artificial intelligence has been in such a vast field, and it is now in proper sense a great thing that people are just using artificial intelligence to make their decision making techniques. As we can see that in if we just talk about in medical field. So in medical field, in the past era, doctors took I think so 4 to 5 days for one X-ray only. But now using artificial intelligence, they can do that work within half an hour. Okay. Moving in real estate, just like we are in marketing industry, so artificial intelligence can predict how much you can earn using this. If you launch this product, what is the probability that you will earn such a lakh amount or a million amount? What is the probability? A human cannot predict. Okay, he has a 25-year experience or a 50 years experience, maybe possible. But still, क्या होता है? Human का experience fail हो जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि आप human psyche को check नहीं कर सकते. It is changing day by day. But artificial intelligence past 5 years का data लेके आपको prediction बता देता है. It is 90% prediction that this product will be launched. If you launch this product, you will get 100% of your profit. Okay? So this is artificial intelligence.
मैम ये जॉब्स पर क्या इफेक्ट करेगा? हर फील्ड आपने बात की, रियल एस्टेट की, आपने मेडिकल फील्ड की बात की, तो ये तो जॉब खत्म कर देगा।
No. People have a great wrong mindset at this level. You know, artificial intelligence आया किस लिए? Human को luxury देने के लिए. Okay? If you think कि artificial intelligence jobs को खत्म कर रहा है, तो it is such a wrong, आपकी सबसे बड़ी गलत फहमी है ये इस टाइम पे कि artificial intelligence jobs खत्म कर रहे हैं. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस ह्यूमन के लिए आसानियां पैदा कर रहा है. जहाँ पे आप 10 वेटर्स रखते थे, जहाँ पे आपका पे लॉस हो रहा था, वेटर्स आपको वो आउटपुट नहीं दे रहे थे, जो आपके कस्टमर्स आपके वेटर्स थे सक्सेस नहीं पा रहे थे, वो कंफर्टेबल नहीं फील कर रहे थे, वहाँ पे आपका एक रोबोट 10 कस्टमर्स को डील कर सकता है. So is it a job loss? No, I don't think it's a job loss. If you get more customers, will it be possible for you? Will it be beneficial for you people? Yes, it will be beneficial because you will get more customers. Due to one thing will be a new invention. You will get a new robot in your area, and the second thing will be that people will just check a new trend is even in this. We should try this. You will get a huge audience in your hotel. Yes, I am talking about a hotel. So, any other question you have?
मैम इसमें ये कि ऑनलाइन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का कितनी इम्पोर्टेंस है और ये इससे ऑनलाइन अर्निंग कितनी हो सकती है?
Yes, artificial intelligence is the future of now era. In this era, artificial intelligence has the most worth. Okay, our future is totally based on artificial intelligence. Now, I will tell you how our future is based on artificial intelligence, right? So, artificial intelligence पे हमारा इस तरह से बेस करता है कि आने वाले 3 years में मैं आपको I can say कि ये मेरे अल्फाज हैं. आने वाले 3 years में आपको नजर आएगा चाइना, जापान, USA. These 3 countries will be fully robotic. Okay. These are now in the days. अगर आप अभी जाके विजिट करें, जापान को भी इवन विजिट कर लें, उनके होटल्स में, उनके पार्क्स में, उनकी कंपनीज में रोबोट्स वर्क करें. ह्यूमन आर एट ईज. क्यों? क्योंकि ह्यूमंस ने घरों में, अच्छा उनके घरों में ही बात कर लेते हैं. उनके घर में सफाई वाली नहीं है यार, वहाँ पे एक रोबोट चल रहा है जो सफाई कर रहा है. इट इज क्लीन. They don't have trust issues, they don't have any pay loss issues, they don't have any other issues. They are just comfortable. AI is just to layer human lifestyle.
ये स्किल सीखने के लिए तालीम की कितनी कैद है, और एक नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट जो कोई भी डिजिटल स्किल सीख सकता है, वो क्या ये स्किल सीख सकता है इजीली?
Yes, 100% sure. But he should know about a little bit know how about programming, because अब हमने ऐसे tools generate करेंगे जिसमें programming भी use नहीं होती यार. First हम लोग पहले काम करते थे programming को use करते थे, हम खुद apps बनाते थे. हम अगर किसी भी वेबसाइट पर जाते हैं, वो पहले क्या करते हैं, इतने पैसे दोगे तो आप ये टूल यूज कर सकते हैं. But if we make tools in our own country, will it be a great thing, na? So, totally, I think so. If a person has a know-how to computer, how a computer can work, if a person has a know-how to simple programming languages, nowadays Python is such an easy language that anybody can learn it. So if you have a know-how about computers, so you can deal with artificial intelligence. आप खेल सकते हैं artificial के साथ, अगर आपको Python आती है तो, आपको अगर Java आती है तो. A second year student is eligible, I think so. After second year, you are eligible that you can learn artificial intelligence and you can make your own claims, you can make your own applications, you can deal with artificial intelligence. Thank you.
Thank you very much.